you don't have to be famous to do something important in your life. I don't know who needs to hear that, but like this day and age, I feel like everybody, including myself in the past and even now, I feel like I'm trying to overcome it, but like obsessed with being famous, obsessed with fame. It's like if you're famous, then you are somebody and then you matter or whatever. But fame has a lot of pressure. Um, I mean, especially if you're a Christian, a lot of famous Christians fall, because it's just goes to their head or they think or like they get like too much a lot of temptation when you're famous, and you have wealth and stuff, um, but like I said, you don't have to be famous to do something important. You can be the best. You can influence those, like be the best teacher, be the best coworker, just being there for people. You can be the best person that works at the food bank, whatever. Like it just like whatever you do, it says work hard for it, at it, and I mean, I know, I like I said, I'm the first one that wanted fame, and to be honest, like the opinions, unless you're built for a lot of opinions in your ear, it's gonna be hard you know, um, to manage fame. But yeah, you just have so much responsibility because you're like when you get into the afterlife, the amount of responsibility people have that influence millions of people on a regular basis is insane. Like God will hold you accountable for what you're doing, um, with those people, for those people, and you know it's okay to just be known in your city, or like just be, like I said, a teacher or whatever. Like you don't have to be this famous person to be of value. You really don't. Um, you just have to, like, honestly, the most important thing is just connecting with God and then connecting with others. Like having a good connection with God and having a good connection with others. Other than that, like I mean, all those millions of people, that's more of a hassle because you're not going to influence. You're gonna be like I said, you're gonna be accountable for those people. So, anyways, um, all that to say, just you don't have to be famous to have an important life or to be valuable or to be like God doesn't care if you're famous or not, and that's the only person you should care about. His opinion, anyways, right?